This is Roberts Line level crossing in Milson and Palmerston North. So this is quite a new level crossing, is because this level crossing previously did not have any barrier arms. So the original crossing had four sets of Montrose of Penrose LED lights, and it had 2 Griswold mechanical bells. Then in about 2016 or 2017, this level crossing was fitted with barrier arms, and they replaced the bells with Western Cullen Hayes E bells. So what do we have? We have 4 sets of Montrose of Penrose LED lights, 2 Western Cullen Hayes E bells, and 2 Western Cullen Hayes barrier mechanisms. So now with that analysis said and done, let's now wait for the train.